If you had $10,000 today, would you invest in stocks or real estate to get rich faster in 2026? One decision could completely change your financial future. Here's the truth nobody tells beginners. Most people choose the wrong investment first, and that mistake quietly costs them years of potential growth and wealth building. So let's test it using a simple experiment. Same starting money, same timeline, but completely different strategies leading to very different financial outcomes. Meet Alex. He invests in stocks using his phone, making quick decisions in a fast-moving market where prices constantly change every second. And this is Brian. He invests in real estate, focusing on physical properties that grow slower but can generate stable and consistent income. Both start with the exact same $10,000. No advantage, no shortcut, just strategy and execution determining who wins in the end. Stocks are one of the easiest ways to start investing today, allowing almost anyone to enter quickly without needing large amounts of capital. With just a few taps on your phone, you can instantly buy shares and begin building wealth without complicated processes or delays. Over time, the stock market has delivered strong returns, making it a popular option for investors who want growth without managing physical properties. Some stocks even pay dividends, giving you passive income regularly while you continue holding your investments long-term. But markets can drop suddenly, sometimes without warning, causing investors to lose value quickly and creating emotional stress during downturns. When fear takes over, many investors panic and sell at the worst time, locking in losses instead of waiting for recovery. Now let's move to real estate, one of the most proven methods for building long-term wealth across generations. Getting started requires more capital and effort, making it less accessible for beginners compared to investing in stocks online. Once rented out, tenants begin paying monthly, creating a steady stream of income that can continue for years. This consistent cash flow provides stability and helps cover expenses while building long-term financial security. Over time, property values can increase, allowing investors to build equity and grow their net worth through appreciation. However, real estate requires maintenance, tenant management, and problem solving, making it less passive than many people expect. All right, now it's time for the real comparison. Let's put stocks and real estate head to head and see which one actually wins in different situations. Round 1 is speed. How fast can you actually start and begin making money from your investment in the real world? Stocks clearly win here. You can start instantly with just a few taps. No waiting, no paperwork, and no physical setup required. Real estate takes more time. Finding a property, securing financing, and preparing it for tenants can take weeks or even months. Round 2 is risk. How safe is your money when things don't go according to plan in the market? Stocks are highly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically within hours, making it easy to gain or lose money quickly. Real estate tends to be more stable. Property values usually change slowly, giving investors more time to react and adjust their strategy. Round 3 is effort. How much time and energy do you actually need to maintain and grow your investment? Stocks are mostly passive. Once you invest, you can hold long-term without actively managing anything on a daily basis. Real estate is more hands-on. You may need to deal with tenants, repairs, and unexpected problems regularly. So after all that, which one actually makes you rich faster when you look at real-world results? In the short term, stocks usually win. They move faster and allow you to grow your money more quickly early on. But in the long term, real estate can outperform by building wealth steadily through cash flow and appreciation. One powerful advantage of real estate is leverage, allowing you to control large assets using borrowed money and amplify your potential returns. Here's the truth most people miss. The fastest way to build wealth isn't choosing one over the other. Smart investors combine both strategies, using stocks for liquidity and growth, while real estate builds long-term wealth and consistent income. This combination gives you flexibility, stability, and faster overall growth compared to relying on just one investment strategy. So if you had $10,000 today, what would you choose? Comment below and subscribe if you want to build real wealth step by step.